Do you dry brush your skin? Well, you should be. It has so many wonderful benefits, and today I'm going to share them with you and show you my technique. So with dry brushing, what you're really doing is you are encouraging your circulation, which is going to encourage lymphatic drainage. Another great benefit, it's going to unclog all your pores, and it's going to really help you to sweat. And sweating is so beneficial in releasing all those toxins in your body, as well as it'll just give you some beautifully soft skin. It can also help with cellulite as well. So here we go. So the first thing you're going to need is a dry brush. So you can use a brush like this with the handle, which is really great if you have some hard to reach areas like on your back, as well as they have similar options without the handle that you can just use on your hand. If you don't have one of these, the other thing you can use are those exfoliating gloves. There's lots of different options. I will provide a few down below for you to check out, but I've picked up this one with a handle just for ease of use. So you've got lymph nodes in your armpits, in your groins, and in your knees, your neck. There's various other ones as well, but these are the kind of the main ones you work on when you're doing a body dry brushing. Your neck maybe even more so when you're doing a facial massage technique. So I'll be sure to share a video on a facial massage or gua sha technique that you can use for drainage in that area as well. But for your body, you're going to kind of want to split it into 4 quadrants, and you can work from your arms first or your feet. It's completely up to you. I have a lot of digestive issues, so I like to first focus on my stomach. Okay, so I like to begin my technique on my abdomen. Remember, this is going to be done on bare skin. So you're going to be using firm pressure, moving everything up towards your heart on the upper part of your stomach, and the lower part of your stomach, moving everything towards your groin. You're going to be repeating these steps over and over, about 30 to 60 seconds on each section. Next is I start with my feet. So you want to do light brush strokes, light but firm, but not too firm. You don't want to be hurting your skin, but these are the kind of strokes that you're kind of want to do. So you're going to be brushing the bottom and tops of your feet, moving upwards and bringing everything to the knee. And then from the knee, you're going to be bringing everything up to the groin again. So remember, this is done on bare skin, 30 to 60 seconds for each area. And you're just going to repeat on the other leg now. So you want to ensure that you are dry brushing on dry skin, so no lotions or oils, as well as not going over any irritated or any skin with any cuts or abrasions, as well as not to use the dry brush on your face. So once you've moved everything up through to the groin, you can now move on to your hands, doing your front and palm of your hand, and you're going to be moving everything up through to your armpit. And then you're going to repeat these steps on the other side. Again, moving everything to the armpit. And then from here, I like to move to the chest. So I first like to do outward motions towards my armpit, again on bare skin for 30 to 60 seconds in each area. And then after I've moved to the armpit, I move it back towards the heart, and then repeat on the other side. Then you're going to move on to your back, moving everything to the center of your body. And then I like to finish by repeating the work on my abdomen, but this time just pulling everything upwards towards the heart. Again, remember, this is done on bare skin, and this will be done for 30 to 60 seconds. Everything's just sped up for the purpose of the video. And now you're done. So a great time to work in your dry brushing routine would be right before you pop into the shower. So this will just really exfoliate your skin, and then you'll get a chance to wash off all those dry skin cells, and you'll be left with really soft, smooth, exfoliated skin. Ideally, what you're gonna wanna do after a dry brushing routine is you're gonna wanna sweat. So if you could hop into the bathtub and ideally use some really good high quality Epsom salts or magnesium flakes to just kind of further that detoxification process. Or my favorite thing to do afterwards is to hop into the sauna, get a good sweat session on. Your skin is fully prepped and ready to sweat after unclogging those pores and getting that lymph flowing. So this would be my recommendation, but let me know down below if this is already part of your daily routine, or maybe it's something you're going to try. Also, make sure to give me a follow over at my Instagram page at Empty Nested, as well as hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it so much.